Hi guys, welcome back to our Wixel series. Previously, we've learned how to create a logo with Wixel. Today, we are going to learn how to customize our logo. So, let's get started. First, go to Wixel.com and go to My Projects here on the top right. Your logo will then be viewable here because once you've generated your logo, it will be added to your projects. So go ahead and select your logo and click on Edit. And your logo will be opened in the Wixel Beta Editor. So this is where we're going to customize our logo. So click on your logo page and you'll see available options appear on the action bar above. So here you can add elements to your logo. So the elements you can add could be a text element, graphics, etc., whatever it is you'd like to add to your logo. So for example, we're going to add in a cake since this is going to be a logo for a treat shop or a sweets shop. So in order to add a graphic element, we just drag and drop it to our page, and then we can resize it however we want to. And then we can also change its colors by clicking colors here. So go ahead and change its colors according to what you want, just like that. So you can do the same thing for texts, graphics, charts, and shapes. You can even add in or upload a picture or image that you'd like to use. All right, moving on, we have themes. So this is where you can go to if you want to change your entire color theme. There are available preset themes here that you can just simply choose from. But if you like, you can just edit the current theme that you have. So hover over it and click on Edit Theme. And here you can edit your color palette to your desired colors. And you can also edit your font set to your desired fonts. So feel free to set up your theme according to your preferences. Moving on, we have background. So if in case you want to use a solid color or image for your background, this is where you can do that. Or if you like, you can also set it to transparent. So you'll have a transparent background and only your graphic elements will show, which is what I originally want. Next, we have Remix, where you can use Aria's suggestions and redesign your logo according to your selected suggestion. So these would be Aria's suggestion over here. And you can also choose a design type and describe your request in the chat. So this is going to be your starting point, and you will continue working with it here on the chat panel with Aria. Moving on, we have the frame size. This is where you can adjust its dimensions, your logo's dimensions. Then if you click on this three dot button over here, you'll have the option to duplicate your logo, to paste an element, or to delete your logo. And lastly, you have the Save Media button for when you want to save your logo in your media manager or media library or site files. Or you can also download or share your logo by clicking on download here on the top right. The preview will be shown over here. You can select your file type here, enable or disable transparent background, and then select your preferred size. Once everything's set, you can then download your logo to your PC. And that's it. Hope you guys found today's video of help. If you need more Wix tutorials, check out our channel and consider subscribing as well. Thanks so much for watching, and we hope to see you guys in the next video.